And here we are, clearly into fall, the end of November, actually a couple days after Thanksgiving, and all of the leaves are down. So there's been a lot of raking, mulching, and burning going on. I actually need to burn a little bit more, but I'm waiting for the weather not to be so dry. The sedum out here in the middle, I'm going to leave those till spring. And then there's a lot of leaves still hanging on along my back fence. I've trimmed it a little bit. Needs to be trimmed a little bit more. It's actually taller than it looks, so I have to get a ladder out here to reach a lot of it. The concrete pots have been sat up under my back patio. And then over here, I've put away all my hanging baskets and pots that have sat around. My iris bed has been mulched up and is ready for winter. All the pots that once sat on this back wall back here have been put away, including all the pots that once sat around this back tree. This concrete turtle I'm going to leave out. I've left it out a few winters and it's done okay, so here's hoping. And some lavender. And then over here I had to put some bricks around because I planted some daffodils and the squirrels have already been into it with some sedum and an owl that I'm not sure if it does any good or not, but there he is. And then under my back patio, the only pots I'm going to leave out are these that are planted with sedum, and then this daylily. I have a few more that are in the front under my patio. And there's those concrete pots and some potatoes that were surprised this year that I found in a hanging basket. I'm going to leave them out and see if the squirrels take them. If not, I'm going to get rid of them. And some spike plants that are actually still living. We'll see how long they last. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.